Hello guys, I'm Ajit and we are back with another interesting tutorial on how to create a Sudo user on CentOS. I'll be working on a CentOS box on AWS. You can use any CentOS box, maybe on Google Cloud or anything you want. So I already have a server, which is this one. It is created by default Amazon Linux AMI. So first we need to SSH to this server. By default, Amazon Linux AMI have EC2 user as the default SSH user, and here is my private key file. So we are logged in as EC2 user. By default, in this Amazon Linux AMI, EC2 user have sudo privileges, so I can run any command with sudo. So it won't ask me for password, or it won't give me the error permission denied, because EC2 user by default have sudo privileges. So we'll be creating the user using user add command. So let's say we are creating the user Ajit, and we'll be creating this user using user add command. But by default, if we use this command, we'll get permission denied error, because we need to use either sudo or we need to be the root user. So as of now, I am switching the user to root. Now we will use user add Ajit. User has been added. Now we need to update the password for this user. So we'll use password command for it, password and the username. So here it is Ajit. It is asking me to give a password, so I'm giving a simple one. Okay, the password has been updated. Now we will add this user to a group which is a default group in CentOS, that is wheel. So using the command user mode, we will be adding this user to wheel group. Okay, now let's switch to the user Ajit, su-ajit. Now I'm logged in as Ajit. Now if we try to do root, so it says permission denied, and if we do a sudo, it will prompt for the password, and after giving the password, it is saying that Ajit is not in the sudoers file. So what we need to do is, as you know, there is a file. Let's switch the user first. Okay, so I'm root again. So in etc sudoers, this file have the entries like which group or which user can run which command. To edit this file, you need to be root, and you can use the command pi sudo. So this is how this file looks like. So as you can see, there is an entry for the wheel group, but it is commented. It is saying allow people in the group wheel to run all command. So if we uncomment this one and try to run the command which we were trying to run, sudo ls root. Now let's change the user and try to access the root directory. It is saying permission denied. Now let's try to do sudo ls, asking for password. Here, after giving the password, it doesn't give me any error and the command is being running successfully. This means now I can run all the command after giving my password. But there could be a case where I don't want to give, or I don't want to be prompted for the password. So in that case, what you can do is again open the file, and here you can see we have uncommented this one. Let's comment this one back, and below that you can see same thing without a password. That means this user, this group, users in this group can run all command without being prompt for the password. So let's save it and check if we are able to do that. So we'll be running sudo ls root. Here we go. It doesn't ask me for the password, and it is listing the content of the directory. Okay, so we have created this, and I am logged in as Ajit user now, and this is the home directory I have. So this is the home directory. Now if you want to log in with this user, and you need to add your public SSH key, then you can create .ssh directory, and then authorized keys, in which you will be putting your public key. So let me put my public key here. So here it is, and we need to set the permission for this directory. Now let's try to SSH in this one. G at the password, the IP. Here I am logged in with the Ajit user. So this is how you can create a user and add it to sudo's file, and how you can add your key to that user, and you can directly SSH by that user. So this is it for this tutorial. Hope you liked it. Keep learning, keep sharing. Thanks for watching.